Hi guys, a very good morning to all of you, and I hope you all are safe. Maybe excited for my class, so I'm here to teach you SST Standard 2, Chapter 18, and the chapter name is Water. So in this chapter, we will see that how water is very important for us and how we can use water. So it's a very important chapter. It is about the water, and water is very important for our life. So we will see this chapter, everything about the water. Before starting the chapter, I request all of you to please stay at home and enjoy your quality time with your family members. You can enjoy like playing the ludos, carom, video games. In fact, you can complete your homework which you received on online classes. If you don't know that what's the homework, then go to the website and please check your homework, and you can confirm your homework, and then you can complete it in your fair copy, and please do it in your good handwriting, legible handwriting, and please use the dark pencil because I have all the records. So once the school will open, I just want all the homework, and you have to show me all the homework because you have a lots of time. So please use the time, don't waste the time. Please, if you have not completed chapter till 17, then please go through the website, check your homework till 17, and please complete it in your fair copy, because again today this chapter will finish. It's a short chapter. Then the exercise that I will give you on the second videos. So please complete your homework. These everything I am just repeating so that it's very important to you that you have to complete the all homework. And I hope that you guys had completed your healthy and delicious breakfast. So eat healthy and stay happy at home. And whenever you are going to eat your meals, please wash your hand properly so that the germs will kill and it will not present inside your body. Because of these virus, we can die also. So for our family members' protection, we should not go outside and we should not interact with the other person. Because nowadays this virus, the COVID-19, it's increasing. So for protect us from these COVID-19, we should not talk with the other person. We should be safe at home and don't go outside. And if you have not completed your homework, please complete it. Again, I am repeating these all things, and please just eat healthy and stay happy at home. Eat the delicious food, and please you can enjoy the time with family members. You can interact with them, you can talk with them. In fact, you can read the chapter also. In fact, you can learn also the main points, the main topics are there. And I hope that you guys just purchased your book. If you don't, then please purchase it as soon as possible. So the new words and the exercise, that whatever I am just giving you on the video, you will do without any problem on book, and you will not get any types of problem. So it's better that you please purchase your book as soon as possible. So let's start the chapter. I am reading the chapter, you also read with me, and once the online class will over, please once again you can go through the chapter and you can read the books properly so that your reading skill will also improve. So here I am talking about the water, and I said that water is very important for us, for not for human beings, for all the living things, like for the plant, for the animals, for the birds, so for everything, for every living things, water is very important. Like air is important for us, like water is also important for us. Without water we can't survive. So water is very important for the plants also, for the animals also, for the living things also, for the humans also. So water is very important for all living things. Exactly, just now I said that water is very important. It is very important for us, for all the living things, for all living things, like for the birds, for the animals, for the human beings, for the plants. Water is very important. Now we cannot live without water. Exactly, like without water we cannot live. So water is very important and we can't live without water. We need water for many purposes, like we need water for drinking, cooking our food, washing our clothes and utensils, and bathing. So we can use water in many different for many different purposes. and it is very useful to us to use in different types of purpose. Like suppose we need water, first of all drinking. For drinking we should drink the clean water. So water is very important for the drinking. It gives like with the help of water we can cook our food also. So water is also used here also for cooking our food. Then washing our clothes, for washing our clothes to make the wash that clothes clean. In there also we should use the cloths, we should use the water. So water is also essential. It is also very important for our daily work, and it is very important for us. In fact, we should wash the utensils what we have where we have ate the food, the meals. That utensils also we should wash with water. So it is very important for everything, and for bathing also. So if we are bathing with water, with soap and water, it will kill the germs. So water is very important for all these different types of purpose in our daily life. Plants and animals also